Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday of April 8, 2021. Please click the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube so that you'll be up to date on the market. So first of all, let's take a look and see where the main market index are doing right now. And I'm going to show you 3 technology stocks that will lead the market to the uptrend. So first of all, let's look at the ES, the immediate SP 500. It's still steady in the uptrend. As long as the trend is still up, we will continue to the upside. And if you look at the spider, it's also very strong. Every day they keep gap up and continue to go to the upside. And the Russell 2000, which is small gap top, they have a little bit trouble to put it higher. That's why you see a lot of small gap top, they still go sideways. Eventually they will find a way to try to catch up with the SP 500. On the other hand, the technology stock is very strong after complete the invert head and shoulder and continue to the upside. And the Dow is also very strong to make an all-time high like SP 500 and continue steady move to the upside. In the other hand, the Bitcoin is still have a problem to break through the all-time high here, but now they try to build a base and be able to find a way to break out. Ethereum is much stronger. They break out, they pull back and continue to the upside. And the gold is also gain some momentum. The last couple of days try to push it back up. Let's see how far they can go here. They have to test this resistance here right now. And the crude oil goes sideways, goes nowhere, but they're not coming down, so they are steady roundabout in this area here before they be able to break out and find a way to go up in the future here. Okay, so as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology. You need to be in the right community and attend our live trading room every day so that you can make some extra daily income and you can ask and get an answer to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. On Tuesday, I show you 3 sectors and 3 stocks that are on the move. So the first one is the BBY. As you can see them, they are trying to build a big base here, and you watch out for the breakout here. If they're able to break out this downtrend line here, they will continue to the upside. The next one is the GLD. This is the Spider Gold Trust, and then we show you on today they found double bottom, and the last couple of days they try to push it back to the upside. And another stock that relates to the electric vehicle, that's the BLNK. So this stock is be able to break out the downtrend line, and then they punch through the resistance and get out with a strong momentum, a lot of volume coming in. So this one is still have a lot of room to move. And today I'm going to show you 3 technology stocks that they will lead the market in the steady uptrend. The first one is AAPL, Apple. As you know that Apple have been slamming down since beginning of the year, and then they be able to stabilize, found the support, and the last couple of days they break out the trend line, and then they be able to push it back up with a strong momentum to the upside. Okay, the next one is TWTR, Twister, that's another software related technology stock. It also break out and gain some momentum and continue to the upside. And one more, which is the INTU. So this stock that's related to the tax software, accounting software. They have been doing very well, and then after the market pulled down, they dropped a little bit, and now they'll be able to turn around and carry to the upside. So those 3 technology stocks here, definitely the one will be lead the market to the upside for the month of April. So besides these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week, and we will analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.